All right, let me guess. You've been chasing leads like a dog chasing its tail, right? Running around in circles, doing everything you can, but you just never quite getting anywhere. Here's the truth nobody talks about enough. You don't need more leads. You need a funnel that actually freaking works. I've got a link down below that can point you in the right direction. No hype, just something that actually helps. It's called the 30-day One Funnel Away Challenge, and it's completely free. Let me tell you about a buddy of mine. We'll call him Dave. Dave was a definition of busy but broke. Hustling, posting, boosting, but the sales, crickets. Then he joined this challenge. In 30 days, he had an actual funnel that worked, a real offer, and boom, first sale. No tech degree, no fancy marketing team, no draining his savings. He just followed the steps. Here's what you're going to get when you join. First, they teach you how to build a high converting funnel, even if you've never built one before. Like zero experience. Perfect. That's what this was made for. That's who this was made for. Second, they show you exactly where your buyers are hiding online. Not theory. I'm talking real spots where people are ready to buy. Third, you get the same system over 120,000 other folks have used to build funnels, launch offers, and start getting results. And yep, you get a full 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels so you can follow along, build your funnel, and test everything out without spending a single dollar up front. Here's the thing. You can keep piecing stuff together, hoping something sticks, or click the link below, take the free challenge, and finally build something that runs like it's supposed to. The link's below. Click it, join the challenge. It's free. And if it doesn't help you, hey, you've lost nothing. But if it clicks, and I think it will, it could be the shift you've been waiting for. Hit that link below now. Also, make sure you check out my free email funnel generator tool at instantsalesfunnels.com. Both links are below. They're real tools that offer real help. You got this. Now let's take some massive action and build something that actually works.